Most teams catch prompt regressions after a user complains. This harness catches them before the push merges. I built LLM Eval Kit around 3 ideas. YAML test suites you version in Git alongside your prompts, an LLM-as-Judge score that grades model outputs against a rubric you write, and a terminal dashboard showing pass/fail results with diffs inline. The judge model is configurable. Any Claude or OpenAI-compatible endpoint works out of the box. To run it, clone the repo, drop a YAML suite into the suites directory, set your API key, and call eval run. The dashboard streams results as each case completes, green for pass, red with a diff for any regression. The project was built end-to-end by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed. Source and docs are on GitHub. Ritik /LLM Eval Kit.